Hi friends, it's Casey from Arizona, but I'm not in Arizona. Today we are going to be having some fun in Pacific Beach, California. My friend Jen and I are sharing the breakfast sushi. We had this once before. It's so good. And some rosemary potatoes. Megan got the eggs Benedict. So can't wait to dig in. So this is rice and egg wrapped with bacon, topped with an avocado and plum sauce, and it is amazing. There's a treat station for doggies on this street. We're headed to Pacific Beach to the Boardwalk. Oh, Coco, you're so cute. This is my friend Jen and Chris's dog, Coco. She's 15, but you would think she was a puppy. This is where my dad needs to stay next time. Right there on the pier so he can fish till his heart's content. Well, we had a great time at Pacific Beach and now we are at Ocean Beach. So I'll show you around Ocean Beach. This one right here is the lemon what?
Lemons, the Meyer Lemon Radler. Very tart.
You like those tart sours.
Yeah, it gotta get you.
Okay, I got it the first time. First try. Let's see if I can do it again. Oop. Nope, did not do it. And of course I have no proof that I did that the first try. That's harder than it looks.
Oh, you got
All three of us got it, except for one. Your turn, Max. Bodad's is a really popular hamburger place. I've been wanting to go to a farmer's market ever since I got here, and we just happened to come down to Ocean Beach, and they are setting up right behind me, so we're gonna go. I can't wait. Hey guys, we made it down here to the pools, and right now we are having a low tide, a super low tide. It's called a king low tide. Hopefully I'll see some marine life. I'm afraid I'm gonna fall. is dead. Here's another one. It's really cool to see all of this area, the tide pools, that's usually underwater. You don't want to walk on the green slimy stuff, because if you're like me, you'll wipe out. I caught myself twice. There's quite a few people out. I'm smelling the reefer. So far, all I've seen are some crabs. That's it. Jen, what is it called? The king tide? What does that mean?
King tides, when the tides are really strong and fast and come up really high and then go out really far. So it only happens a few times a year. And this is king tides, yesterday and today.
We're now headed to the farmer's market.
Yeah, I'm a San Diego local. I live
I got custard almond and chocolate chip.
We just found the mango sticky rice. I know they look so
That's
good.
a good price for them.
Oh, the strawberries look so good to me. I'm back in the condo today. Wore me out, but it was so much fun. I had such a great time. And I hope you enjoyed seeing a little bit of Pacific Beach and Ocean Beach. Have a good night, friends. Bye.